Hello everyone. We are going to present a video illustration about the power of nature, in which we will try to make you aware of the world's current situation. Firstly, we are going to talk about humans' effect on ecosystems and their natural habits. Humans' activities are causing environmental degradation, which is the depletion of resources such as air, water, and soil. The health of the ecosystems on which we and other species depend is deteriorating more rapidly than ever. We are eroding the very foundation of economies, livelihoods, food security, health, and quality of life worldwide. The loss of ecosystems is caused mainly by changes in land and sea use, exploration, climate change, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. Some things have a direct impact on nature, like the plastic pollution into the ocean. These impacts on humankind include freshwater shortage and climate instability. Climate change, pollution, and invasive species have had a relatively low impact, but these factors are accelerating. Another fact to consider is global warming. 4 billion years from now, the increase in the Earth's surface temperature will cause a runaway greenhouse effect, heating the surface enough to melt it. By that point, all life on the Earth will be extinct. One of the most immediate and obvious effects of the global warming is the increase in temperatures around the world. The average global temperature has increased by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit over the past 100 years. However, these changes not only affect us, they also have an impact on animals and plant life. The rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can directly harm animals, destroying the places they live. Climate change also alters the life cycles of plants and animals. For example, as temperatures get warmer, many plants are starting to grow and bloom early in the spring and survive longer into the fall. Some animals are waking from hibernation sooner or migrating at different times. If we don't reduce our carbon emissions and instead allow global temperatures to rise by 4.5 centigrades, up to half the animals and plants in some of the world's most biodiverse areas could go extinct by 2100. Secondly, we would like to talk about the challenging problems that humanity faces. These problems are decline of natural resources, particularly water, collapse of ecosystems and loss of biodiversity, human population growth beyond Earth's carrying capacity, global warming and human-induced climate change, chemical pollution of the Earth system, including the atmospheres and oceans, rising food insecurity and failing nutritional quality, nuclear weapons and other weapons of mass destruction, pandemics of new and untreatable disease, the advent of powerful and uncontrolled new technology, national and global failure to understand and act preventively on this risk. Even though these varied issues, we believe that the most challenging one is the overpopulation. There are a number of factors that contribute to overpopulation. These are the leading causes: poverty, child labor, reduced mortality rates, fertility treatment, immigration, and science improvement. Overpopulation can have a number of effects, most of which are negative. Lack of water, lower life expectancy, extinction, resource consumption, increased intensive farming, and faster climate change. Finally, we will introduce you to how we can do an eco-friendly development. Balancing the protection of nature with growing humans' needs will require careful planning and a more complete understanding of how we are changing the planet. We need to plan if we want a balance between nature and development. That means we need to understand what's driving land change and where it's happening. While agriculture is expected to remain a major driver, future energy and infrastructure development could impact more lands than agriculture and urban growth combined. Protecting nature can no longer fall to environmentalists alone. Better planning will require collaborations across all of society, and in particular, across major economy sectors. We hope you enjoyed the video and understand the importance of nature's preservation. We believe we could make a minds change with this. Thanks you all for watching.